What it is, what it do, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Obi here, and if you're new, I'm in my office. But we're not talking about my office today. Today is my driver's experience. So I get a chance to take a Huracan on the track. So I'm on my way to International Raceway down in Fountain, Colorado, so I'm super stoked about this. They always say never meet your heroes, but today I'm going to meet my hero, and we're going to see how it stack up. Anyway, I'll see you when we get to the Springs, or actually Fountain. So, holla at you! And of course, every time you're going somewhere in the Springs area, 25 South is a cluster. And it's literally been a cluster for the last 5 years. I hate this. All right, all checked in. You ready for this?
Yes.
Yes?
I'm ready for this.
What about you, Isaiah? You ready for this?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So we got an SRT right there, another one right there, Hellcat.
Our ride along, all three of us get to go into the same car, which I apologize for because I will act as though like a big lead weight in the vehicle. I don't know if there's a weight limit. And you might be like you two in one car and me in another.
I don't know, we shall see, but how fast do you think they're gonna go?
I don't know, you're gonna see here in a minute.
This is true.
You come screaming by here. It sounds really fast, but we were doing like 150 on the way here, so what's fast?
He was doing 50.
In reverse.
There's my ride right there. All right, now that you've seen the track and the cars, we gotta go do a safety class, which is the sucky part about this experience. I don't want to sit in class. How long is the class, Dave?
Man, hopefully not very long.
All you need to tell me is just don't crash into anyone. That's enough safety, all I need. That's all I
wish they served snacks.
I know, right? I guess the cars are our snacks.
Huracan at Pikes Peak. All right, right on the brake, Omar. Pop that right paddle back. Just pop back, push this in drive. Just hang tight here, okay?
Okay.
How you feeling?
Feeling good, I'm excited.
Good. So you learned a lot in the classroom on the ride?
I did, yeah.
So, hand signals?
Yep, that's accelerate.
We roll out.
Okay. You ready to go?
Yep. We're pulling right behind this lead car, okay?
Okay.
So we got some hand signals: gas, lift, brake.
Okay.
Your side, my side.
Okay.
Yellow lift cones, red brake cones,
Okay.
orange turn-in cones, and green apex cones.
Okay.
Okay. Green doesn't mean go; it just means we're in the middle of the corner, okay? So we get straight, that's why we roll on the gas, nice and smooth. Smooth on the gas, firm on the brake.
Okay.
No passing unless I tell you we're not gonna pass by, we're the front of the pack.
Okay.
We're gonna let faster traffic by, no big deal. So hey Omar, pull over here, lift off the gas, I'll signal them by, and then we will continue on.
Okay, sounds good.
The mirrors are set for me. Just don't worry about the mirrors. Only worry about what's in front of you. Any questions?
No?
That's my man.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
You ever heard motorcycles before?
Yes.
A lot?
Yeah, I had a Honda 954 RR.
Sweet. All right, stay with this lead car about 4 car lengths off as we roll out, okay? Let's roll it out. So just like on a motorcycle, look far ahead. Look for those cones. Look for those turning cones. All right, over to your side of the track, drive along that pavement seam, just like that lead car's doing. So yeah, look ahead, and just like on your bike, be smooth. Don't get on the gas in the corner, stuff like that, right?
Right.
Same in a supercar. Start rolling on the gas, Omar. Roll on that gas. Roll on that gas. Roll on that gas. Roll on that gas. All right. All right. And we're gonna accelerate all the way to the yellow cones up there on the wall on my side of the track. Here we go. Ready to lift off? No brakes. Now turn in. And here's where we're gonna brake. More brakes. A little more. That's great. Release those brakes. Look, wait for that orange turning cone, and now turn in and look for that green apex cone. Get that wheel straight and accelerate all the way to the red cones. Brake. A little more, a little more. Release those brakes. Now turn in. Look for the green cone on my side. All the way in, Omar. There we go. All the way out to that orange cone on your side. Now turn into the orange cone on my side. All over your side. All the way over. Now turn in. Hard, hard, hard. All the way in, all the way in, all the way in, all the way in. No gas just yet. Turn it in. Start rolling out of gas, nice and easy. Get that wheel unwound. And all the way to the yellow cones. Lap 2. Brakes. Wait for it. Now turn in. Roll on the gas. Start rolling. Nice and easy. Turn it in. All the way to the yellow cones, Omar. Left. Wait for it. Now turn in. And big brakes. Big brakes. Big brakes. A little more. Release that brake. A little early. That's okay. Turn it in. For that green cone, unwind that wheel, accelerate all the way to the red, all the way to the red. And brake. Release that brake all the way to the orange. Now turn in, all the way in, all the way in, all the way, all the way, all the way in, all the way in. There we go, all the way to that orange cone. Lift up the gas, turn it in. Give me a little brake. Turn it in, all the way to that orange cone. Now turn all the way in, Omar. No gas, no gas, no gas.
Sorry.
Don't gas and turn. That's bad. Now turn in. All the way in, all the way in. Unwind that, roll on the gas. All the way to the yellow. Left. Brake hard. Or release the brakes. Now turn in. That green cone. All right, start rolling on gas. So we're rolling on gas. Rolling on gas. Sorry. Left. Wait for that turn in. And brake hard. All the way to that orange cone. More brakes, more brakes, more brakes. And now turn it in. A little more gas, a little more gas, a little more gas. Accelerate all the way to the red cones. Brake. Release that brake all the way to that orange cone. Now turn it in, all the way in. Look for that green apex. All the way in, Omar, all the way. There we go, all the way at that orange cone. Lift off, turn in. All the way to your side. All the way in. All the way next to orange cone. All right, we're heading into pits right now, okay? All the way over to my side, all the way over, all the way over. Lift off, all the way in, all the way into your side. Gonna follow that lead car right between the blue cones into the pits. How was that?
It was fun.
Man, you did crushed it.
Thank you.
All right.
So we just got done with our run. We're waiting on my brother-in-law. That's the monster that I drove right there. So they always say never meet your heroes. I'll give you my take on that sentiment. We're just waiting on Dave to get done because he decided to pick the Porsche, which everyone and their mom wants to drive a Porsche, and they only brought one. So, all right, Dave's about to run out, which sucks because I wish someone would have videoed me driving away, but you know, it is what it is. I ain't mad at that.
A few inches later.
So, on my way home, stuck in traffic. Here's what it is. Guy in the gold, I don't know if you can see that. This gold Honda Civic decided he was going to four-wheel the Civic. Yeah, he's stuck. He's stuck. Now they're picking up the car. Picking it up and swinging it around. Did I get out and help? Nah. Better luck next time. Okay, so just got back to the house, and as I said earlier, the old saying is that never meet your heroes because they always wind up disappointing you. I'm going to say this instance, completely way off base. I've met my hero, and I love it. Yeah, that sums up my day. So as always, hit that thumbs up, man. Hit that thumbs up. When you hit that thumbs up, that triggers the algorithm. What happens when that triggers the algorithm? It gets out to everyone that needs to see this. Also, subscribe, because every time you subscribe, this drives me to make more videos like this. That subscription that I'm asking you for, absolutely free. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps me out, but it doesn't cost you anything. So, hey, anyway, as always, I'll holler at you next video. Oh yeah. So help me pay for the replacement of this. Yeah, I had to replace that, and it was $700. We'll talk about that in another video. But anyway, holla.